dougieG-d, Danky. God didn't remind the Jews. What comes down must come up. Y'all owe me for them 10 commandments. God didn't say it was my money. The Jews said, have it all. God didn't say, I don't need your money. Send me one of them harmonizers. First universal harmonizer being launched into space in the year 10,000. Years of planning have led to this moment, from the time God gave the Torah. From there, the first Earth Universal Harmonizer began sinking motion around Earth. The harmonizer ended all suffering on Earth by dismantling all of its material world and converted it all straight into a harmonious spiritual form. Before doing so, all the souls of the righteous had their souls and spirits stored to be embedded straight into the harmonious vibration of the previous location of their homeland. The wicked souls were exiled and scattered throughout the galaxies, continuously until they finally repent. From there, the first Earth Universal Harmonizer began sinking motion around its solar system. Harmonizers extruded outward, changing the motion of God, creating a perfect harmony. This will spread to all of existence as the process has already begun. Through God, the harmonizer sent angels and spirits to the rest of the universe for preparation of the coming of their own local Mashiachs, spreading joy to all creation through all of eternity. It was then that the Star of David shined for all the universe to see, a light unto galaxies. That's right.